After an heavy downpour in many states, that there is serious flood, like the current flood that is going on in many states in Nigeria and other countries. This is what happened. During this time that there is heavy flood and most cars are being covered, like many countries, many states, water will flood everywhere. Serious flood will cover cars, and for days cars will be soaked. This is what happened. This is literally what happened, that you see cars that were looking very good, now they look as if they have been soaked for mud for many years, many months. Now after that time, during the dry season, you need to take time and clean your cars like this. Man, it's not everybody that can do this. Some people just get angry and throw their cars away, but if you can take the paint and clean the car, then you are going to see the amazing way this car is going to turn back, come back to life. I want you to exercise patience. Kindly watch through how this car is being cleaned, being transformed, bring back to life. Man, this is something that everyone would have lost hope, and the owner would have lost hope, that this car is gone. But this car will be well polished, real clean, and bring back to life. You're going to see the satisfaction. Everything will be fixed, everything will be purified, everything will be clean, and you're going to take a closer look at the car. It's going to be something else. Please don't miss any part of the exciting look that this car is going to come up with. While they're removing everything, they're removing the bolts, moving everything about the car and cleaning it, because they want to bring it back to life. Trust me, many cars that you're seeing being sold like to combat, this is what happened. Now, when these cars have been have gone through this kind of experience, the owner will just want to auction it out. They will auction it out, so they will clean it like this and put it back to the market and auction it. This is what happened in most of the Tokumbo cars. Yes, they're going to purify this car and finish, clean everything, and it's going to look awesome. It's going to look awesome. Yes, in many countries, many developed countries, they used to have heavy downpour, heavy flood. Even in some countries, even in your country, even in Nigeria here, like this year we have heavy flood at Makurdi and other states like that. Now imagine someone who has like 5 cars, 10 cars in the garage, and water has covered everywhere. And you're even looking for a way to run for yourself. Talk more of carrying the cars. Do you understand what that means? And as a result of that, water is going to cover everywhere. Then after the flood, maybe after 1 week, 2 weeks, the car was soaked in the water for many days. Now you have to come and clean the car after cleaning the car. Man, people that have money will just say, man, let's auction this. I don't want to go through the headache of this car. Yes, they will auction it and you will buy it. You buy that auction, you buy a cheap car. You don't know that cheap car you're buying, he has gone through shege. He has swum, he has become mommy water, he has swum in many oceans. That's just what happened. Now watch this car. You see how they're purifying it, they're cleaning all the corners of the cars, they're removing all the mud. Everything in the car is looking, is going to come back to life. Everything is going to come back to life. This purification is one of the best you will ever talk about. Take a closer look at it. Just look at the way they're cleaning everything, cleaning the engine, everything. Everything. Filtering everything to make it look the way it's supposed to look. And you're going to love it. You are going to love it. This is serious work, serious cleaning. They clean all the mud that you were seeing and they wash it off, and everything is clean now. And it's time to fill it back. Just look at the car that was dirty. Now they use they purified it. Now just take a closer look at it. Everywhere will be sanitized. They are now sanitizing everywhere now. Yes, soak it down with good detergent that is going to work and clean everything and bring it back to life and remove all the dust. You see now, they're now using good detergents to mop up all those dirt, and they're going to clean it out. Then you're going to see the car. And they're done washing the car now. The car is done being washed. The next thing is left now is to package the car. And you're going to see they're fixing everything. All those things that was removed and watch outside, they're going to fix it, and you're going to see this car. You step in to buy this car, you don't know that the car that was you run away from is the one that you're now coming back to it. Take a closer look at it. Just close your eyes like this. Close your eyes and open your eyes. Then see what the car is going to look like. It's just looking wow. What do I mean look like? It looks wow. That's just it. And they put the CD and everything is up to date. Just look at that car. How do you see it? How does it look? love it. Yes, you love it. I know